This is a 2019 Ford F-150 Super Crew Lariat. Black over black leather interior. Power driver's seat, power windows, locks, and mirrors. Leather wrap steering wheel. Satellite radio, navigation, heated and cooled seats, electronic climate control. There's a look at the rear seat. Aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, lockable tailgate, backup canter, bed liner, sliding rear window. This vehicle is four-wheel drive and powered by the 5-liter V8 engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Ford Brooksville, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.